not just profanity, but pornography. People who do not have bra, who only wear skimpy clothes, dancing in TikTok. Do you allow that?
Mr. Chair, we do not allow pornography on the platform.
Now, do you consider a woman without any bra at all, and you could be able to, it's now, wala nang naiwan sa imahinasyon. Eka nga, yung bang mga babae na nagsasayaw dito, naka-bikini. For example, this one here. Ayan, oh, nakikita yung breast niya. You don't allow that. That's pornography, am I right?
Mr. Chair, we're happy to once again work with this honorable committee to study the content that you're presenting to us
Well, I'm so glad.
so that we
Mr.
can
Chair.
coordinate.
Kasi alam nyo, hindi ako sanay sa TikTok eh. Ngayon ko lang talaga tinignan itong maigi eh. Tulad yan. What do you call this? Is that not pornography right there?
Sexy lang eh. Sexy lang? Sexy lang.
Sexy lang. Nothing left in the imagination dito eh. But we would like to please now tell TikTok, I think that they would be more